Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios you can do Saturday, January 9th, using that 5 off 25. We have some amazing coupons on food, on baby products, on pet products, and on healthcare. January is a perfect time to start couponing because the coupons are on fire, and this week does not disappoint. I even have one scenario you can do this week where you get 10 products and they're good products and it's absolutely free. So if you want to see what awesome scenarios I have for you this week, just keep watching. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only two rebate apps I really use. Those two apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the two easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code RWOENVT. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay guys, I'm going to start you off with the best scenario of the week, but first I want to remind you to make sure you're scanning items in the store with your app. If you don't know how to use your Dollar General app to scan items, go watch this video I've linked above. I will also put a card at the end of this video. Okay guys, this first scenario is awesome. It's going to be a $0 out of pocket. You're going to buy one of the Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste for $2. You're going to use that $2 off one Crest Toothpaste digital coupon. You're going to buy one Mucinex. You can get the Sinus, the DM, or the all-in-one for $5.50. You're going to use that $5 off one Mucinex product digital coupon. You're going to pick up 3 of the Jif to Go peanut butter 3-packs. They're in the dollar aisle. They're $1 each. You're going to use the $2 off 2 Jif peanut butter digital coupon. You're also going to use that 50-cent off 1 Jif peanut butter digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up one Playtex Sports tampon for $3. You're going to use that $2 off one Playtex Sports tampon digital coupon. You're going to pick up 2 of the Ivory Body Wash, the 12 ounces. They're $1.50 each. You're going to use the $2 off 2 Ivory Body Wash digital coupon. You're going to buy one Tresemme shampoo or conditioner. They're $4 each. You're going to use the $2 off one Tresemme digital coupon. You're also going to use that $1 off one Tresemme store digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up one Centrum multivitamin. It's a 40 count bottle for $5. You're going to use that $4 off one Centrum product digital coupon. And you're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.50. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $25.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $0. Okay, for this next scenario, you're going to see some repeat items because they're just too good to pass up. We're going to pick up one of the Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste for $2. We're going to use that $2 off one Crest Toothpaste digital coupon. We're going to buy one Mucinex Sinus, DM, or all-in-one for $5.50. We're going to use that $5 off one Mucinex Products digital coupon. You're going to pick up 2 of the milk box looking things of Goldfish crackers. They're 14-ounce boxes. They're $3.50 each. You're going to use the 2 for $3 Goldfish store digital coupon. You're going to buy 2 of the Ritz Chips 8.1-ounce bags. They're $3 each. You're going to use that 2 for $3 Ritz Chips store digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up one of the Centrum multivitamins. On this one, I put the Energy Complete Vitamin. They're $5. You're going to use that $4 off one Centrum product digital coupon. And of course, you're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.50. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $23 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $2.50. Okay, for this next scenario, we're going to pick up 3 of the Scott toilet paper 12-pack rolls. They're $5 each. We're going to pick up 1 of the Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste for $2. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Mucinex products for $5.50. We're going to use that $5 off 1 Mucinex products digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Ritz chips, the 8.1 ounce bags for $3 each. We're going to use the 2 for $3 Ritz chips store digital coupon, and we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $28.50. $3 in instant savings will come off for the Scott toilet paper. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $15 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $10.50. And don't forget to scan your receipt to fetch rewards because Scott is a participating brand of Fetch Rewards. Okay, for this final scenario, we're going to pick up 1 pack of Love's diapers for $6.50. We're going to use the $1.50 off 1 Love's diaper digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 pack of Huggies diapers for $8.50. We're going to use the $2 off 1 Huggies diaper digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 of those Mucinex products again for $5.50. We're going to use a $5 off 1 Mucinex product digital coupon, and we're going to pick up 1 of the Centrum multivitamin products for $5. We're going to use that $4 off 1 Centrum product digital coupon, and of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.50. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $17.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $8. Okay guys, that's all the scenarios I have for you today. I know we had a lot of repeat items in those, but they have such good discounts that I thought we should definitely make sure we stock up on the Mucinex if we can. If you've not given this video a big thumbs up yet, please go ahead and do so. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn the notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. Also, make sure you're scanning your items in the Dollar General app. Make sure your location's set to the correct location. Check out the card at the end of the video. It'll tell you how to use the Dollar General app. I'm telling you, you have to make sure you're scanning these items to make sure the coupons are attaching. Because I know like the Mucinex cold, flu, and sore throat, the coupon was not attaching to that. Also, 1 of the Ritz crisper crackers, I think it was like urban cheese, the coupon was not attaching to that, so you definitely have to scan the items and make sure the coupons are attaching. Go watch that other video and it'll show you how to make sure they're attaching. Also, make sure you clip that 5 off 25. This is a great week to get some amazing discounts, but you got to make sure everything is attaching and everything is clipped. I'm going to go ahead and get off here so I can start working on my CVS video for Monday. If I start now, maybe I'll have it done by then, as long as my work leaves me alone for the weekend. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.